Hi everyone, this is Math 0028, Section 2.6, You Try Problems. Alright, so in this section you were doing special products. So if you look at A, this is a special product. Now, I'm not sure how they did it in the lesson video for the whole section, but I always just teach my classes that there's nothing so special about special products. It's just FOIL. Okay, so, and I think that's a lot easier. So when you have x plus y squared, that's a binomial squared. So what you're going to do is just write x plus y times x plus y, and we're going to do FOIL. So it's definitely on the KISS system. Keep it simple, stupid. There's no reason to stress yourself and try and learn a formula that you really don't even need to know. So if we do FOIL, the first term, x times x, would be x squared. And then you do the outer term, x times y, would be positive xy. Then you go back with the inner term, y times x would be xy, or if you write yx, that's fine. And the last, y times y, would be positive y squared, because you add those exponents, okay? Now, remember, you've got like terms here in the middle, xy and xy. And don't forget the coefficient on each one of those is a 1. So you bring down x squared. Xy plus xy is going to be 2xy plus y squared. That just comes down. And there's your answer. Okay, on B, once again, these are special products because these are called conjugates of each other. One's a plus and a minus with the same terms, but it's just FOIL, okay? So our first term, x times x, is x squared. The outer term, x times negative y, would be negative xy. And then the inner term is going to be a positive xy. And the last term, y times negative y, would be negative y squared. So be careful because so many people get to the end, they see y and negative y, and they go, oh, those cancel out to 0, which is wrong because you're multiplying, you're not adding. And plus, it wouldn't spell FOIL, it'd spell phooey. Again, can't do that, okay? But now look at the middle terms here. Negative xy plus xy, when you combine those cancel completely to 0. They're gone. So our answer is x squared minus y squared. Okay, on C, we have 7a plus 2b times 7a minus 2b. So it's still FOIL. First term, 7a times 7a is 49a squared. And then the outer term, 7a times negative 2b, is going to be negative 14ab. Now we go back with the inner term. That's going to be positive 14, 2 times 7, ab. And then the last term, 2b times negative 2b, that's 2b and not 2b, get it? A little bit of Shakespeare. Alright, so we have minus 4b squared, because you multiply 2 times 2 and you add the b's. Okay, now 49a squared comes down, but once again, negative 14 and positive 14, those cancel to 0, minus 4b squared just comes down. So that's it. Now on D, we have this binomial squared, so we're going to write it out twice, 7a minus 2b times itself. Notice the difference between this problem and the one we just did. On C, the signs were different, and on D, when you square it, you use the same sign. So now it's just FOIL. 7a times 7a is 49a squared. The outer term, 7a times negative 2b, is going to be negative 14ab. Now we go back with the inner term. Negative 2 times 7a is negative 14ab. And the last, a negative 2b times negative 2b would be positive 4b squared. Now, this is where a lot of people mess up. They say, oh, these 14s cancel. They don't. They're both negative. So the rule is you add and keep the sign. So the first thing we do is bring down 49a squared. negative 14 and negative 14, we add and get negative 28 AB, and then bring down plus 4B squared. And I'm pretty sure that's it for 2.6. Yep, have a great day.